of the week.
The bird of the week this week is the American Goldfinch. This little finch has a short pointy bill and a short notched tail. In their breeding plumage, adult males are bright yellow with a black forehead and black wings with white marks. And in winter, males are a drab, brownish yellow with dark wings that have thick white wing bars. Breeding females are yellow with black and white wings. And in winter, they're yellowish brown with dark wings and pale wing bars. American goldfinches live in weedy, open areas and often visit backyard feeders. They're vegetarians and eat almost exclusively seeds. They're the state bird for New Jersey, Iowa, and Washington. American goldfinches fly in a bouncing, undulating pattern, and they often call while in flight. People say one of their calls sounds like they're saying potato chip. And males sing a long series of warbles and chirps. Tune in next week for another